Mindfulness meditation is a simple practice focusing your attention on the present moment and accepting it without judgment.
Beginners start with short sessions.
Find a quiet space free from distractions where you can sit comfortably. This peaceful environment helps you focus and relax during your meditation. Sit in a comfortable posture with your back straight. This supports alertness and helps maintain attention without discomfort or strain. Close your eyes gently or keep a soft gaze to minimize visual distractions and promote inward focus on your body and breath. Begin by taking deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth to calm the mind and body. Direct your attention to the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your nostrils or the rise and fall of your abdomen. When your mind wanders, gently acknowledge the distraction without judgment and gently return your attention to your breathing. Try to maintain a calm and accepting attitude toward all thoughts and feelings that arise during your practice. Start with short sessions of 5 to 10 minutes daily and gradually increase your meditation time as you become comfortable. Incorporate body scan techniques by progressively focusing attention on different parts of your body to promote relaxation and awareness. Practice mindfulness in daily activities like walking, eating, or washing dishes to extend your awareness beyond formal sessions. Be patient with yourself. Developing mindfulness skills takes consistent practice and kindness toward your progress. Regular mindfulness meditation can improve mental clarity, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being over time.